Now we taking an AP. Now that AP2, if we add a constant value, subtract a constant value and multiply a constant value or divide a constant value, then it forms AP or not, we checking. So now we taking the series AP as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. Now here it forms AP or not, first we checking. So now here that series to given the first term A1 is 2, second term A2 equal to 4 and the third term A3 equal to 6. Now checking the common difference, D is equal to A2 minus A1, subsequent to 2 terms difference. So 4 minus 2, that is nothing but 2 only. Now A3 minus A2 finding, that is 6 minus 4, that is also 2. Now A4 minus A3 doing 8 minus 6, that is also 2 only. Next to 2 terms difference, 10 minus 8, that is also 2 only. So here it is an AP. And the common difference is 2. Now if this series 2, if we add or subtract, multiply or divide a constant value, is it forms AP or not? Now we checking. And what happened to the common difference, that one also checking. Now if we add a constant number 3 to the series, to the AP, now it becomes, so each term to 3 adding. Now that is 2 plus 3, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 3, 9, 8 plus 3, 11, 10 plus 3, 13 and so on. Now here we find the common difference. Now the first term A1 equal to 5, second term A2 equal to 7, third term A3 equal to 9. Now the common difference checking, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 is 2. Next the 2 terms difference, A3 minus A2, that is 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7 is also 2 only. Next to 2 terms difference, 11 minus 9, that is also 2. Next to 2 terms difference, 13 minus 11, that is also 2 only. So here also the common difference is same. So it is also forms AP. So it also forms an AP. Next, if we subtract a number from the given AP, if we subtract 1 to the AP, now the AP becomes 2 minus 1, 1, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 1, 5, 8 minus 1, 7, 10 minus 1, 9 and so on. Now here in this series to the first term A1 equal to 1, second term A2 equal to 3, third term A3 equal to 5. Now finding the common difference, D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 3 minus 1, that is nothing but 2. Now the next two terms different, A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, 5 minus 3 is 2. Next two terms difference, 7 minus 5 is also 2. Next two terms difference, 9 minus 7 is also 2 only. That means here the common difference is same. So it also forms an AP. Now if we multiply the series, the AP with a number, now it forms AP or not, we checking. Now if we multiply with 3, then the AP becomes, now 2 3 ja 6, 4 3 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 8 3 ja 24 and 10 3 ja 30 and so on. Now here for this series, the first term A1 is equal to 6 and the second term A2 equal to 12, third term A3 equal to 18 and the fourth term A4 equal to 24 and so on. Now here it holds AP or not purpose finding the common difference. So common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 12 minus 6 is 6 only. Now A3 minus A2, that is 18 minus 12, 18 minus 12 is 6. Next A4 minus A3, 24 minus 18 is 6 only. Next 30 minus 24, A5 minus A4, that is also 6 only. That means here the common difference is same. So it also forms AP. It also forms an AP. Now the next series 2 we observe. Now here we multiply the given term, already we multiplied, so we divide with a constant term 2. If divide with 2 to the AP, now it becomes 2 by 2 is 1, 4 by 2 is 2, 6 by 2 is 3, 8 by 2 is 4, 10 by 2 is 5 and so on. Now here if we find the common difference, it holds AP or not purpose. First the given term A1 is equal to 1, A2 equal to 2, A3 equal to 3 and so on. Now the common difference D equal to A2 minus A1, that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Now A3 minus A2, that is 3 minus 2 equal to 1 only. So the next two terms difference 4 minus 3 is 1 and the next two terms difference 5 minus 4 is 1. That means here the common difference 1 is same only. So it also forms AP. It also forms an AP. Now if we observe the all by adding or subtract or multiply or divide, we get the series. All are follows AP only. They all follows AP. Now if we observe the common difference, so the given series to common difference is 2. If we add, we get the common difference is 2 only. If we subtract, now also we get the common difference is 2 only. Now by multiply, we get the common difference 6. That means if we observe, we multiply the series with 3. That means 2 3 ja 6. That means it will be increased. Multiply with which term, that times it will be increased. Now if we observe, by divide, the common difference is 1. So here we divide with 2. That means the original common difference to that times decreased. So 2 by 2 is 1. So that means from here to we can conclude that by adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing we get AP only for a series too. Now the common difference to observe, the common difference by adding or subtract not changed, that is same only. If we multiply, so it will be increased by multiplied times, it will be increased. That means 3 to multiplied, that means 3 times it will be increased. If we divide, now it will be decreased by that times. Here given, find the given one below. If A is the first term, D the common difference, and AN the nth term of the AP. And here given the first term A equal to 7 and the common difference D equal to 3, and the N, that means the last or nth term is number 8. Now we want to find AN. So the general form of AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here we want to find the 8th term. So A8 equal to 7 plus N minus 1, 8 minus 1 into D equal to 3. So 8 minus 1, that is nothing but 7. So 7 into 3. So 7 3s 21. So 21 plus 7 is 28. So the 8th term of this series 1 is 28. Now here given the first term A equal to minus 18, the N equal to 10, AN equal to 0, D equal to how much? So by the general form of AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here AN equal to 0 given, and the first term A is minus 18 given, and the N value is 10 given. So 10 minus 1 into D. So 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. So minus 18 plus 9D equal to 0. Now this minus 18 is transferred to this side plus 18. So 18 plus 0. 18 plus 0 is nothing but 18. So 18 is equal to 9D. Now D is equal to, now multiplication and transfer to this side, division, 18 by 9, 9 ones, 9 twos. So the D value is 2. given d equal to minus 3, n equal to 18, an equal to minus 5, then a equal to how much? So now the general form an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In that if we substitute, so here an is minus 5 given, and the a we want to find, and n value is 18 given. 18 minus 1 into d value is minus 3 given. So a plus 18 minus 1, that is nothing but 17. 17 into minus 3, 17 3 ja 51. So plus into minus is minus. So a minus 51, that is nothing but minus 5. We want to find a value. So this minus 51 transfer to this side plus 51. So 51 minus 5 is equal to a. 51 minus 5 is 46. So a value is 46. Here given a equal to minus 18.9, d equal to 2.5, an equal to 3.6, then n equal to how much? So here the general form an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here an equal to 3.6 given. So 3.6 is equal to a equal to minus 18.9 plus n value only we want to find, n minus 1 into d value. So the d value is 2.5 given. Now this minus 18.9 transferring to this side, that is plus 18.9. So 18.9 plus 3.6, that equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. So 18.9 plus 3.6, that is equal to 22.5. So 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now n minus 1 to 2.5 is multiplication doing. So transferring this side, now it will be divide. So 22.5 by 2.5 is equal to n minus 1. So here one digit before point, here also numerator and denominator one digit before point. So both will be points cancelled. 25 ones, 25 nines, 225. So n minus 1 value is equal to 9. Now this minus 1 transferring to that side plus 1. So n equal to 9 plus 1, that is nothing but 10. So 10th term of this series to a10 equal to 3.6. Okay. Now the next problem given a equal to 3.5, d equal to 0, n equal to 10, then an equal to how much? So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a equal to 3.5 plus n minus 1, n equal to 10 minus 1 into d value 0. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into 0. So any number multiplying with 0 we get 0 only. That means 3.5 plus 0. So any number adding with 0 we get that number only. So a10 is equal to 3.5. Here our to given the problem, find the 30th term of AP 1074 up to so on. So now here the 30th term finding purpose we have to know the general form. So general form an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So that means we have to know a value, n value, d value. So a value is nothing but the first term, and d value means the consequent two terms difference. So that one finding for that series given one 10, 7, 4 up to so on. So from that series the first term a1 is a equal to 10. The second term a2 equal to 7. Now an, that means n value is 30th term finding asked. So n equal to 30. Now find the common difference d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 7 minus 10. So a2 is 7, a1 is 10. So 7 minus 10, that is nothing but minus 3. So the common difference of the series is minus 3. Now 30th term finding. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is the general form. So from that form, now we finding the 30th term a 30 equal to 10 plus n minus 1. 30 minus 1 into the common difference is minus 3. So 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. So plus into minus is minus, and 29 threes, 29 threes is 87. So 10 minus 87, that is nothing but minus 77. So 30th term of this AP is minus 77. So we have to find further series 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 up to so on. The 10th term we want to find. So for that series, the first term A1 is A is given as 5. The second term A2 equal to 1 and the n is equal to 10 given. Now we find the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that means 1 minus 5. The second term is 1 and the first term is 5. So 1 minus 5 is nothing but minus 4. So the common difference of the series is minus 4. Now we want to find the 10th term. So the general form an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here n is 10. So a10 equal to a equal to 5 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 into d value is minus 4. So 10 minus 1 is 9 and d value is minus 4. So plus 9 into minus 4 is nothing but minus 36. So 5 minus 36 is 31. So 10th term of this AP is minus 31. Now for the next problem, we want to find the 11th term of the AP, minus 3, minus 1 by 2, minus 2 and so on. Now here for this series, the first term A1 equal to A equal to minus 3 given and the D A2 is minus 1 by 2 given, n value is 11 given. Now we find the common difference D equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 by 2 and A1 is minus 3. So minus of minus 3, that is plus 3. So minus 1 by 2 plus 3. So here if we do LCM, that is 3's denominator 1 and here 2 denominator. So 2 1 LCM is 2 only. So 2 1's 2. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1 2's 2. So 3 2's 6. So minus 1 plus 6, that is nothing but 5 by 2. So the common difference D equal to 5 by 2. Now we want to find the 11th term. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we want to find 11th term purpose n equal to 11. So a11 equal to a equal to minus 3 plus n 11 minus 1 into d value, that is 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus 11 minus 1, that is 10. 10 into d value 5 by 2. So 2 1's 2 5's. So 5 5's 25. So minus 3 plus 25. Minus 3 plus 25 is nothing but 22. So the D value is 22. D naught. 11th term of the AP is 22. Here given, find the respective terms for the following APs. So arithmetic progressions to some terms given, we have to find which term they are given, that one term we find. So here A1 equal to 2, A3 equal to 26, then find A2 is how much. So for the given series A1, that is nothing but A, that is equal to 2 given. Now the next term A3 is given as 26. So by the general form an equal to, we can write a plus n minus 1 into d. So A3 can be written as a plus 2d. So a plus 2d is equal to 26. Now from this we find a d value, then A2 is nothing but a plus d. So that d value is adding to a, then we get A2 value. So now a value we know that 2. So 2 plus 2d equal to 26. Now plus 2 is transferred to that side, minus 2. So 2d is equal to 26 minus 2. 26 minus 2 equal to 24. Now d equal to multiplication to transfer to this side, division. So 24 by 2. 24 by 2 is nothing but 12. So the common difference of the series is 12. Now A2 value we want to find. A2 is equal to A plus D. A equal to 2 and D value is 12. So 2 plus 12 is 14. So second term of the series is 14. Here given A2 equal to 13, A4 equal to 3. Find A1 and A3. So A2 is given as 13. A2 is nothing but A plus D, that is 13. Now A4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is given as 3. Now subtract A4 from A2, then we get D value. That D value substituted in any one equation, we get A value. So that A value and D value no means we can find any number. So these two will be taking as two equations. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, A plus 3D equal to 3. A plus D is equal to 13. Now subtracting, so we have to change the symbols. So that plus 13 will be minus 13, plus D will be minus D, plus A will be minus A. A minus A gets cancelled. 3D minus D, that is 2D, is equal to, so 3 minus 13, 3 minus 13 is minus 10. Now 2D equal to minus 10. Then D value is multiplication to transfer to this side, that is division. Minus 10 by 2. Minus 10 by 2 means that is minus 5. Now D value minus 5 substituting in that first equation, from 1 they are given A plus D is equal to 13. Now A equal to 13 plus D transfer to that side, minus D, that means 13 minus of minus 5. So minus of minus 5 is nothing but plus 5. 13 plus 8, 5 is 18. So the first term A is 18. So A1 is equal to 18. Okay, our to ask the first term. First term we find that is 18. Now the third term A3 equal to, simply we can write A2 plus D. Now the second term is given as 13 and the common difference D is minus 5. So 13 plus of minus 5, plus into minus is minus. So 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So the third term is 8 and the first term of the AP is 18. Here given A1 equal to 5, A4 equal to 9 whole 1 by 2, find A2 and A3. So here the first term A1 is equal to A equal to 5 given, and the fourth term A4, that is nothing but A plus 3D, is 9 whole 1 by 2 given. So 9 whole 1 by 2, that is nothing but 2 9s 18 plus 1 equal to 19. So 19 by 2. So here A value is 5, we know. So 5 plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. Now this plus 5 transferred to that side, minus 5. So 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So 5 is nothing but 5 by 1. So if we do LCM, the denominator here 2 and 1 is 2 only. Now 2 ones 2. So 19 ones 19. Now 5 means that nothing but the denominator is 1. So 1 2's 2. So 2 5's 10. So 19 minus 10, that is nothing but 9 by 2. So 3D equal to 9 by 2. Then D equal to multiplication 3 transfer to that side, that is nothing but division. So 9 by 2 into 3. So 3 ones 3 3's. So the D value, that is common difference, is 3 by 2. Here the common difference is 3 by 2. Now we want to find A2 and A3. A2 is equal to simply A plus D. A equal to 5 plus 3 by 2. 5 plus 3 by 2 is 5 whole 3 by 2. So 2 5's 10, 10 plus 3 equal to 13. So 13 by 2. Next A3 is equal to, that is A2 plus D. A2 is 13 by 2 and the common difference D is 3 by 2. So 13 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So here the denominators are equal. So they are like fractions. So direct add the numerators. 13 plus 3, that is 16. 16 by 2. 16 by 2 means that is nothing but 8. 2 ones 2 8. 8 by 1 equal to 8. So the series to the second term is 13 by 2 and the third term is 8.